space junk after the break. Today's episode is sponsored by Meteor On Demand. Meteor On Demand is the only personal meteor delivery service that brings a meteor straight to your door. You don't have to have a podcast to appreciate the convenience of a good delivery service. That's why I'm such a fan of Meteor On Demand. They take the confusion out of meteor delivery so you don't have to fuss with ancient prophecies or star charts to get what you want when you want it. Simply open up the Meteor On Demand app and a personal meteor will drop into your general vicinity. It's that easy. My partner loves Meteor On Demand's gift delivery feature too. Dropping a meteor on someone is way more personal and memorable than flowers. And for a limited time, podcast listeners get free delivery on their first meteor order with the code SEEYOURCRATER. And now, back to our show.